I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable AirDrop for use over cellular on your iPhone or iPad. Have you ever found yourself needing to share a file instantly with someone nearby using your iPhone or iPad, but realize you're not connected to Wi-Fi? Well, there's good news for you. With iOS's latest features, you can now use AirDrop over cellular data, making file sharing more convenient than ever, no matter where you are. Now let's walk through the steps to enable AirDrop for use over cellular on your iPhone or iPad, ensuring you're always ready to share photos, documents, and more with ease. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. You'll land on your Settings menu. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap General. The General menu is shown. Step 3. Tap AirDrop in this menu. AirDrop options are displayed. Step 4. Navigate to the Out of Range section and then tap to toggle on Use Cellular Data. Going forward, you'll be able to use AirDrop over either Wi-Fi or cellular data to send and receive content with other Apple devices. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.